Saturday?
Yeah.
They're looking for a keg on every T-Bucks. Ken, you might have to up your greens fees.
Huh?
So if they want a keg on every T-Bucks, you're going to have to up your greens fees.
They want a keg on every T-Bucks.
My one leg is up, though. I'm not even.
You're one leg shorter than the other?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I can do it.
Uh-oh.
Where'd it go?
Way right.
Right.
And the jingers over here to the right.
Yeah. Jingweed's over there. That would be my mulligan. That's your mulligan.
Yes.
You're done
Okay.
now.
I see what happened. I came off here and I.
You can only use
Yeah,
a mulligan
yeah,
if you give
story.
up your last shot.
Huh?
You can only use a mulligan if you give up your last
I
shot.
had no idea where that went.
You gave it up.
Yeah, you have to give that one.
You're not getting that one back.
About 20 yards to the right of the kids over there.
Oh yeah, I didn't see. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Oh,
There it is.
that'll play.
Good.
That'll play right there.
That'll play.
Good shape.
That's his job.
I got a 7. Who got the 6?
I got a 4.